Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are cooking on the river next to the land that we have on my hometown, Baysur. So today we are going to make Moussakaa. It's a vegan dish and it has the eggplant that we picked from our land, and we have the garbanzo beans I soaked overnight and cooked, and we have the onion. So every year we will grow our garlic, our onion, everything to store for the winter because it tastes better and it will store longer. The eggplant is very famous dish here. My mom, she used to make it a lot and we used to love it the way she makes it. I'll try to make it the same way she did, but it's not the same. You cut it like that. Some people, they peel the eggplant halfway. Some people, they peel it all the way. Yeah, but some eggplant, the skin is little rough. So people, they like to take it, or they don't like to see the black part with the dish. It's up to you what you want to do. I'm gonna cut it like that. I'm not gonna make it too small because I want to see the pieces of eggplant with the dish when I cook it. So I'm gonna go a little bigger like that. Because if you make it too thin, when you boil it, you won't see the eggplant anymore. They will disappear. So that's why it's good to make it a little bigger. So for the 2 cups of garbanzo beans, either you can, because over there in California they are a little bigger, the eggplant, you can use 2 big eggplants, or you can use like 4 or 5, the medium ones here. So now I'm gonna fry the eggplant halfway. So I'm gonna put some oil here. Gonna put some oil. You don't have to put too much because we're not gonna fry them deep fry. I cut here about like 2 large onion, or like 4 or 5 the small ones you can put. So I'm gonna fry both of them, but in different pots. So I'm not gonna fry them, I told you, not too much. Maybe halfway. When you start see like little change of the color, like little golden color, a little bit, then you'll take them out. Okay, this one, you're not gonna cook it too much, just a little bit until they, what they call it, like sweat a little bit. Yeah, you need the color to stay the same. You don't want it to change. Some people, they deep fry the onion, the garbanzo, the eggplant. For me, it's less fat, so I'll try to cut a little bit. Yeah, those are done. You see, they are just a little pink. So I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna try to put them with a paper towel, so less oil. So here I have about a cup of pureed tomato. It's fresh tomato. Some tomato paste with it. And I'm gonna add a little bit, just a little bit water. I don't have the measuring cup, so I'm using, I never use the measuring cup actually, but just a 1/4 cup maybe. Maybe you'll add more, so let's wait. This dish, we used to make it like when my mom going to make the khibz saj. So we make this dish, and you'll take just the bread from the saj and eat it with it. It's so good. ما هو بتطبخ المسقعة وبعدين لما نشيل الخبزة عن الصاج بتكون الخبزة سخنة يعني، لأن كنا نخبز بعد الظهر مش على بكرة بكير. فلما نخبز بعد الظهر نعمل هيك أكلات مجدرة، برغل، مسقعة، هالأكلات هيدي، وتكون ماما عم تخبز خبز، نصير نشيل رغيف الخبز عن الصاج وناكل دغري حد الصاج. هسه لما نخبز على بكره بنعمل منقيش، بنعمل زعتر، كشك، لبنه، هالشغلات هيدي. So now the garbanzo beans with the onion, they've been like 10 minutes cooking. Now I'm gonna add the eggplant. Some people, they like to fry it a little bit more, and I like it like that. This is my recipe. And if you are watching and you don't want to fry it, you can bake it. Just drizzle little oil on the eggplant and bake it, and then cook it like that. You can do that too. I can see that I need a little bit more tomato paste with it. So I'm gonna add a little bit, because I like the sauce to be a little darker. Just a little bit, so I'm gonna add a little bit more tomato paste to it. I'm gonna make a well here and try to mix it here. So I don't wanna add more water. So I'm gonna leave it simmer for like 10-15 minutes until the eggplant gets like soft and good. And after that, I'm gonna add the dry mint. This dish, you have to have dry mint with it. It gives it a very, very good taste. So you see the eggplant, when you do it like this, it's soft. So that means they are done. I'm gonna add the black pepper, and I'm gonna put the dry mint, and that's it. I'm gonna let them simmer just 1 minute, and our dish is done. Now we let it, this dish, you can eat it cold, or you can eat it warm, room temperature. Usually we eat it like cold. This is our moussakaa, and I will show you the result. Usually moussakaa, either you put it in a large plate, or if you want to serve it as appetizers, you can put it in a smaller plate. So today I'm gonna put it in a small plate. You can eat it with bread, any kind of bread you want. Tortilla is good with it. And you can make salad next to it, or you can just make it like, eat it like that. We usually eat it like that. We like it like that. And you see the eggplant is so tender, so nice. It's not too mushy, not too hard. So this is our moussakaa. Hope you'll try it and make it, and let me know how it will come out with you. It's so easy, so delicious, and it's not that hard to cook. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye. شوفي لي صحون لرندا. مها شوفي لي صحون لرندا. هاي
يعطيكي
الله يعافيكي. هاي قلوب. ياي بدنا ناكل بعد شوي. خلص حياتي منهم.